Hello everyone, in this video I will review Mighty Acne Patch. The Mighty Acne Patch is a popular skincare product designed to shrink pimples quickly, sometimes even overnight. These small clear patches are made with hydrocolloid, a material that draws out pus, oil, and impurities from a zit while protecting it from dirt and bacteria. Many users find that by morning, the patch looks cloudy, showing it has absorbed gunk for the pimple. This helps reduce swelling and redness, making breakouts look less angry in just a few hours. The patch also acts like a barrier, stopping you from touching or picking at the spot, which can speed up healing. It's especially effective on whiteheads that are ready to pop, since it pulls out fluid best in those cases. However, it doesn't work as well on deep-sided acne or blackheads, where the problem lies under the skin. The clear design makes it distract enough to wear during the day or even under makeup. Some people notice their pimple is flatter and less painful after just one use. Consistency helps. Using a patch overnight for 2 to 3 nights can give better results. It is also gentle since it doesn't use harsh chemical, making it safe for sensitive skin. That said, it's not a miracle cure. It won't erase all types of pimples instantly. The results depending on the kind of acne you're treating and your skin type. For many, it's more of a quick fix bandage than a full acne treatment. Overall, the Mighty Acne Patch lives up to its promise for surface pimples, but deeper acne may need something stronger. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.